buddies, how are you today? This is your own Gomati auntie and I'm here today to read you another fun story. How many of you like Gajapati Kulapati? That's right, even I love those stories. Well, we have seen him get wet in the rain and catch a cold. We have seen him eat a lot of food and get a stomach ache and produce all the gurbroom sounds. We have also seen him take a kalbalush dive into the pond on a hot summer day. Well, today Auntie is going to read you the newest Gajapati Kulapati series of books. In this book, Gajapati Kulapati gets very dirty and everybody wants to give him a bath, but he is running away. Do you want to read more to find out what happens? Let's jump on. Alright, today we are going to read Kalicha Kulicha. This is like the newest book from the Gajapati Kulapati series. And this is written by Ashok Rajagopalan uncle. Let's read on. Gajapati Kulapati, Kalicha Kulicha. Gajapati Kulapati was a big elephant. He lived in a small village with his friends. One night it rained. The ground was wet. The trees were wet. But Gajapati Kulapati was not wet. Why? That's right, they built a house for him, right? He was safe and dry in his house. In the morning, it stopped raining, but the ground was wet and muddy. School will be closed today, said the teacher. Yay, said the children. Moo, said the cow. Kalich, blitch, kalich, blitch. They all ran out to play. Kalicha Kulicha. Gajapati Kulapati danced in the mud. Kalicha Kulicha, Kalich Kluch, Kalich Kluch. He even rolled in the mud. Soon the children, the cow and Gajapati Kulapati were covered in mud. All of you need a bath, said the grandmother. Go to the pond, said the teacher. Come, Gajapati Kulapati, said the banana seller. I will give you a bath. But Gajapati Kulapati did not want to bath. He ran away. Where is Gajapati Kulapati? Asked the banana seller. There, said the teacher, hiding behind the wall. When they went to the wall, Gajapati Kulapati ran away again. Where is Gajapati Kulapati? Asked the grandmother. There, said the teacher, hiding behind the tree. When they went to the tree, Gajapati Kulapati ran away again. Where is Gajapati Kulapati? Asked the banana seller. Where is Gajapati Kulapati? Asked the teacher. Where is Gajapati Kulapati? Asked the grandmother. Where is Gajapati Kulapati? Asked the children, who were sitting on a rock in the pond. Suddenly, gloop, gloobuk, gloobuk, the rock moved. It was Gajapati Kulapati hiding in the pond. Gloosh! The children fell into the water. Gloosh! Gloo, gloo, gloop, 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 gloop. Gajapati Kulapati came out of the water. Now, Gajapati Kulapati did not need a bath. He was not muddy anymore. Yay! That was the end of the Kalicha Kulicha. All of us at some point would have ran away from taking bath, right? When auntie was very little, my mom used to give me oil bath every Sunday. Oh, I dreaded that day. However, there was Tom and Jerry show on TV, so auntie used to be like that, watching Tom and Jerry, when auntie's mom used to come and put oil on my head, and I anyway had to take bath. Well, taking bath is good. It cleanses your body and also relaxes your mind. Did you know that? Interesting, right? Well, it has been quite some time since we learned to draw Gajapati Kulapati. Shall we once again learn to draw Gajapati Kulapati in a different pose this time? Come on, let's jump onto the activity time to learn to draw Gajapati Kulapati covered with mud. I am Gajapati Kulapati. How are you guys? You guys are going to start to learn to draw me. That's very interesting. I will also learn to draw myself with you guys. What was that? Oh, that was the big elephant, Gajapati Kulapati. Really? Chiku, I love this guy. Yes, Chiku, I do love to listen to the Gajapati Kulapati stories. Okay, are we going to draw him today? Yes, yes. Let's learn to draw Gajapati Kulapati filled with mud. Alright, what do we need? A paper and a pen. And as auntie said, we're going to draw how he appears in the Kalicha Kulicha book. So we will start with the mud first. Okay, that's the mud. And let's start by drawing his head. We all know it starts with a big round oval and like that. And that's his trunk. And for his ears, let's start with his right ear and his body. It's all covered in mud, so we're not going to draw him completely. It's just that much we're going to draw. And to his other ear. Pow, pow. And now his tusk. Ting, twang. The other one. Okay, now onto his eyes. He has very teeny weeny eyes, right? So those are his eyebrows and his eyes. Some hair and a lot of mud all over him. Kalicha Kulicha. Kalich, clutch, clutch, clutch. That's a lot of mud splattered all over his body. Funny. Auntie is going to teach you a very, very small song about Gajapati Kulapati. The whole, because this is the last one of Gajapati Kulapati's series of books. I came up with a small song. So, watch till the end of the video so you could listen to the song and catch some lines from there. Now some shades here and there. And this is the mud, right? There is mud splashing from the mud pool, like that. That's fine. Just some um shapes like this, and then small rounds, just patterns here and there, just to indicate that it had splattered out. All right, that is Kalicha Kulicha. Stick around till the end of the video so you could learn to sing this beautiful song that you could sing along with Gajapati Kulapati's books. Well, I hope you liked today's episode, and I hope you liked reading all of the Gajapati Kulapati series with Auntie so far. Well, to conclude this Gajapati Kulapati series of books, I'm going to sing a very small, song. Shall we? Gaja 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 Gajapati Kula 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 Kulapati Gaja 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 Gajapati Kula 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 Kulapati Gaja 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 Gajapati Kula 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 Kulapati. From today, whenever you read those books, I hope you will sing the song as a introduction to Gajapati Kulapati's appearances. Funny, right? See, whenever we read a story with some songs or some different voices, it gets so funny and hilarious, right? Auntie is going to leave the link for all the Gajapati Kulapati series of books up here. Don't forget to click on them and check it out. If you like the Little Story Station, please like, share and subscribe and spread the word with your friends. Oh, and don't forget to click on the bell icon down below so you get the notification every time I upload a new video. Come back for another episode of Read Aloud with another book. Until next time, take care and spread the joy of reading. Bye.